What's up everyone, it's JManMoto24 here, coming back at you with yet another video. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. And it's a video I've actually been wanting to do for quite a while actually. And that video is things I hate about nightclubs. Well, I mean, don't get me wrong, like I said, I like going nightclubbing. Well, did when I was younger, still do to meet new people when I go out every now and then to a club. But there's just a few things that I dislike about them. Like things that could be changed or could be better. And I'm going to tell you them right now. Number one, okay, I understand that people want to go to the bar to get a drink. That's fine. But this thing I hate is when after they have a drink, they still stay at the bar. Like the whole purpose of going to the bar is to get a drink, right? And then leave. But nah, what the fuck are you doing, you dickhead? And anyway, it's like they get a drink, and then as opposed to going elsewhere, like a normal person would, they choose to stay at the bar and just completely cram the bar up. Like, I hate that. Like, it's like, just get a drink and just go so I can go and get a drink. Because when I get a drink, I head straight back to my friends. That's what I do. Number two, I see this everywhere I go. It doesn't matter where I go or whatever time of year I go, but I always see this and it drives me absolutely nutty. Like, you go out to a club, right, to have a nice night, yeah? Nothing wrong with that. But when you see people and they're glued to their mobile phones all night, it just defeats the whole purpose. Like, what's the whole point of going out? Like, I see it everywhere I go. It doesn't matter if I go to a pub, bar or club. I see it quite a lot in the clubs and bars actually. And it's just, you just see people having a full-blown conversation, just texting like that. Like, how's that having a good night? That's not having a good night. That's called being glued to your phone. You go out to the club to escape, like, life's problems, to have a good time, to enjoy the moment for what it is. Not to be glued to your phone all night, texting God knows who. And I'll tell you guys a funny little story actually. Like, a few years ago, when I was a lot younger, well, I'm still young, but when I was a little younger, must have been, what, 2-3 years ago? Something like that, when I used to go out quite frequently. And anyway, basically, like, I actually saw a girl in the club and she was on the phone. She was actually on the phone and she was on the dance floor and she was right next to the speaker. Now, God only knows how she heard what the other person was saying and how the other person heard what she was saying. Like, just go out, have a nice time, don't be glued to your phone. I understand, look at your phone every now and then to see what the time is, but if you don't want to check your phone, just wear a watch. Just wear a watch and just put your phone, if you're a woman, in your bag or your purse or whatever you call it. And us guys, we just keep in our pocket, problem solved. You know, it should only come out if you're like, I don't know, adding someone on online social media, or you get the girl's number, or, you know, and that's about it. Or unless you are like waiting for an emergency phone call or text, then yeah, alright, fair enough, I understand. But just, you go out to have a nice time, don't be glued to your phones. Number 3, and I see this quite a lot as well, and it infuriates me as well. Like, people that go on the dance floor and they just don't dance. They just don't dance. They just go on the dance floor, they just stand there. Like, if you don't know how to dance, don't not go on the dance floor and just stand there and not dance. At least try and dance. Or failing that, just go in the seating area, go in the smoking area, or watch from the railing, you know. Don't just stand there on the dance floor like you know, because that's what they are. They're nuisances to other people that want to dance, but the other people can't dance because that person's just standing there and taking up room. And I see this quite often, like you see like a group of guys go on the dance floor and they'll just start talking to random people, well, mainly they'll start talking to a big group of girls, but talk to the girls outside in the smoking area, don't talk to them on the dance floor, people are there to dance. And you guys, like, if any of you do this, just stop it, just stop, alright? You know, just talk to people in the smoking area, or the seating area, or quiet area as they would call it. That's what that's for. Not the dance floor. Dance floor, bust out your cool moves and show everyone how much of a pro dancer you are. Now that brings me to my fourth thing that I dislike about nightclubs. Toilets. Like, I understand everybody needs to take a leak, but it's like, you see people going to the toilets, they'll go to the toilet, and they'll just stay in there and have a full-blown conversation with someone that they know. Like, the toilets is not a place to have a conversation with someone, you know, like, you got other people there that need the toilet, and some people are pretty much on the edge of almost pissing themselves, you know, just that also, lack of a better word, pisses me off. Anyway, number 5, and I hate this as well, and it doesn't matter where I go, I always see this, fights in nightclubs, just why, just what's the whole purpose of getting into a fight at a club with some random dude, A, you don't know, B, you're never going to see again, yeah, A, you're never going to see again, B, you don't know who he is, and C, he'll be gone in a few hours, just like you will be. Like, I hate seeing fights, because it puts a whole downer on the whole night itself. It just ruins the night. I hate seeing that. Anyway, number 6, and I see this quite often as well. Like, you buy a drink, yeah, no problem there, and it's like, whether people do it intentionally or unintentionally, they'll barge you. I mean, that usually happens when it's packed, but like, someone just bought, say you just buy like, I don't know, like £4 or £5 alcoholic drink. You take one sip, we don't even get to take a sip, like someone just barges you and it just goes down you or just goes on the floor, you know. And the thing I hate is like when you try and bring up with people, they're like, oh, I'm not paying for it, it's your fault. Well, it's not my fault, mate, you're the one that went into me, not the other way around, you know. So buy me a new drink now. Most of the time they won't buy you a drink, they'll probably just tell you like, go fuck yourself or something. You're just like, alright, whatever mate, I ain't looking to fight, you know. I don't want to show you up in front of your friends, you know. And anyway, another thing I hate, number 6 was it? Or number 7? One of them two. I can't remember what number I'm on. And I see this quite often as well. I understand like nightclubs are trying to make as much money as possible by trying to turf in as many people as they can, but when it's like a small club or a medium-sized club and they try and fit in like more people than what the club can hold, I hate that. That just annoys me so much, because you're all like that, you're like tin sardines, there's just no moving. You can't dance, you can't get to bar, you can't go to the toilet, if you smoke you can't get to the smoking area, you know, you just can't move full stop. It's a real pain, an absolute pain. And what else do I dislike? Oh yeah, last reason. It's like you be on the dance floor, and this probably ties into my other view, but it's like you be on the dance floor, you know, busting out your moves, and you'll just have like some random person just like push past you, or it's like they'll just start having a full-blown conversation with you. Like, again, like I said, it's kind of ties in with what I said earlier, but it's like the dance floor is no place for conversation. Like, if you're dancing, and I mean I get this quite often, and I see it quite often, it's like you have people come up to you and they're like, oh cool, teach me your moves. I'm not saying my dance moves are the best, but they're not the worst, they're okay. they're pretty good actually, from what I've been told by other people. They're pretty good. And it's like, they'll say, oh, teach me your moves, or, oh, sick moves, bro. Like, yeah, thanks. Tell me that, like, when I'm at the bar, or whilst you're waiting for a drink, or whilst I'm out in the smoking area talking to random people. I mean, I don't smoke. I just go to the smoking area because I like to talk to people, and it's like the quietest place to talk to someone. You know, like, it's like when you have people trying to talk to you on the dance floor, I hate that. And that's the same with, like, I guess it kind of ties into the same reason. Like, you have people, and it's like, you're on the dance floor. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah, they might shout in your ear like, excuse me. Yeah, I can understand that. But when they push past you, like, you're not even there, I hate that. It just makes me just want to go bang, you know. But I don't, because I don't want to get thrown out. But that wraps things up for this video, guys. Those are just some reasons why I hate, well, why I dislike, things I dislike about nightclubs, sorry. That's the title, yeah. Those are just some things that I dislike about nightclubs. Like, if you guys, like, have the same, like, sort of aspect of views as me, you know, let me know in the comment section. And also, you know, let me know what you dislike about nightclubs, and maybe I'll turn this into like a things I dislike about nightclubs part 2, or, you know, something like that. You know, just let me know down in the comment section below, yeah? As always, like, comment and subscribe, and have an awesome day, and don't forget, ride safe and stay out of trouble. Peace!